In this video, I will be showing you how to completely erase the data that is present in a particular drive in Windows 10. So let's get started. So here, as you can see, I am going to completely erase the data that is present in my local disk D. At the moment, it has around this 10.5 GB of data used. So to completely erase it, right click on it and we are having the format option. Click it and we'll be getting the formatting settings over here. In case if you want to change any of these, you can simply change it. I am fine with the default one. I will just click on start, and before clicking on start, make sure that you have already taken backup of all the data present in it. So I'll just click it and it will give you a warning. You can just simply click on OK, and the format has been complete. OK here and close it. Now here you can see, if I right click and go to properties, there is just around 100 MB of use space and that 10 GB has completely been emptied. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.